Hey, what's up everybody, I'm Charlie, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make my delicious New Orleans Praline Pound Cake from scratch. This is basically a almond pound cake, which is a favorite among Louisiana people, especially down in New Orleans. Once we bake the cake, we top it with a delicious and creamy praline topping, or pecan candy topping as New Orleans people would say. This recipe calls for about 20 individual servings of praline pound cake. Not only is this a traditional New Orleans classic pound cake, but it's absolutely delicious. Now, I do have other pound cake and regular cake recipes out there that you can try. Recipes such as my delicious 7-Up pound cake, lemon pound cake, strawberry pound cake, chocolate pound cake, orange pound cake, red velvet pound cake, sakatimi cake, rum cake, and I also have a diabetic vanilla almond pound cake recipe video as well. And I'll have the links to those recipe videos in the description box. So without further ado, let's get started, shall we? Here is all what you'll need to make your praline pound cake. Let's get started with our ingredients. You will need some swan's down cake flour, sugar, baking powder, salt, canola oil, unsalted butter at room temperature, 4 large eggs at room temperature, 8 ounces of sour cream at room temperature, whole milk at room temperature, 1 can, that's 12 fluid ounces of evaporated milk at room temperature, 6 ounces of pecan halves, vanilla extract, butter extract, and almond extract. To bake your praline pound cake, you will need some Baker's Joy non-stick baking spray and a Nordic Ware anniversary butt pan. And there we have it. Let's get straight to it. Add 3 cups of cake flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Sift ingredients into a medium-sized bowl. Stir all your ingredients together. In a stand mixer with a paddle attachment, add 2 sticks of unsalted butter at room temperature, 1/3 cup of canola oil, and 2 1/2 cups of sugar. Start your mixer on a medium-low speed just to get that butter, canola oil, and sugar incorporated. Turn your mixer up to the highest setting. Mix on high speed for 4 minutes. Now at some point during those 4 minutes, you're going to stop your mixer and scrape down the sides of your bowl. Continue mixing that in. Scrape down the sides of your bowl. Start your mixer on a medium speed. Add 4 large eggs in at room temperature, 1 at a time. Scrape down the sides of your bowl. In a medium-sized bowl, add 2/3 cup of whole milk at room temperature, 2/3 cup of sour cream at room temperature, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 2 teaspoons of butter extract, and 1 teaspoon of almond extract. Using a whisk, stir all your ingredients together until combined. Spray your bundt pan with non-stick baking spray. Preheat your oven to 325 degrees. Add 1 cup of your cake flour mixture and 1/2 cup of your milk and sour cream mixture. Mix on a medium speed until combined. Scrape down the sides of your bowl. Add 1 cup of your cake flour mixture and a half a cup of your milk and sour cream mixture. Mix on a medium speed until combined. Scrape down the sides of your bowl. Add 1 cup of your cake flour mixture and 1/3 cup of your milk and sour cream mixture. Mix on a medium speed until combined. Scrape down the sides of your bowl, and our pound cake batter is now ready. Add your pound cake batter into your bundt pan. Spread the batter around your pan as evenly as possible. To make the batter more even, shake your pan slightly and tap it onto your table. Now it is ready to be baked. Place into a preheated 325-degree oven. Bake for 1 hour and 10 minutes. Remove your pound cake out of the oven after baking on 325 degrees for 1 hour and 10 minutes. Toothpick inserted into the pound cake should come out clean. Let this cool completely before flipping. For best results, let this sit overnight so that way the flavors can settle and increase. I let my cake sit out overnight. Now I'm going to flip it, and this is how it looks when we're done. Let's make the praline topping. Preheat your fire to medium-high heat. In a medium-sized pot, add 1 1/2 cups of evaporated milk, 1 1/2 cups of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Stir all your ingredients together. Let this come to a simmer first. Then let it simmer for 12 minutes, stirring continuously. It's been about 12 minutes now, and I want you to pay attention to this simmering pattern that we have here. That lets us know that our pralines are almost done. Add 2/3 cup of chopped pecans and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Stir all your ingredients together. Continue to stir this for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, turn your fire off. Continue to stir this for an additional 3 minutes. Once done, pour your praline topping on top of your cake. Ooh, look at how beautiful that looks. Let this sit for about 1 hour before serving. Here is the final presentation. And there you have it, New Orleans Praline Pound Cake, made from scratch. If you like my channel, hit that subscribe button. Hit the bell button if you want to be notified of my videos. You can also check out this recipe along with all of my other recipes at www.charliethecookandrews.com. You can also find me on Facebook and on Instagram under the name Charlie the Cook Andrews. Stay tuned as Charlie's Taste Test is coming up next. Now it's time to go ahead and take a bite. Man, the cake is soft, moist with a tender crumb. It has a nice almond flavor. Then you have that praline topping. It has a nice sweetness to it. The flavor of that is extraordinary. It is really, really good. It's really creamy and delicious. The pecans. I'm telling y'all, try the recipe. Anyways, I hope you all enjoyed the video. So until next time, take care, and I hope you all have a blessed day. Peace.